Hi lovelies, today I'm going to share with you two easy way you can cut and fry your plantain and it's come out so beautiful and delicious. Okay, so try it, you're going to love it. Hello, you're welcome to Cooking with EJ. So first I have the plantain I'm going to fry. Okay, I have 4 pairs of it. So now is to remove the back of the plantain. Then after removing the back, I'm going to slice it to the style I want. So lovelies, how are you all doing? How is the weather treating you? I hope everybody is okay. For me, I'm good. Okay, I just want to enjoy this plantain. You can see how beautiful the plantain is. It's very healthy. The plantain don't have too much back. There's plantain you will buy, the back of the plantain will be bigger than the one inside. So but I am lucky to get the right one and the plantain right so well, and the taste was amazing. So after removing it, we're going to start giving it the beautiful shape that we are going to fry. Look at how healthy the plantain is. So now I'm going to cut it to the normal shape that we always do, the overall shape. So this one hubby loves most. So if you're trying to do other style, try to do this particular overall shape. Okay, then you people can eat the other one, then he can eat this one. So I do this, and after that I'm going to cut the other style, which is very simple. So for this one, we normally use it to drink pap and other stuff. So this one is the circle shape. This one is the one I love most. So for this one, it's good for me to use it to eat something like rice, beans. Cook your beans, fry it, put at the side, enjoy. So now I added some salt into it, and I'm going to mix all together. It's very simple to do, just salt and everything is okay. Don't add any other thing if this is your first time seeing this. But we Nigerians, we normally fry plantain. But if you're coming across this channel and this recipe, it is very simple. So I had the oil on the burner. It was hot, and I added some onions. Guys, if you haven't been adding onions in your oil when frying, try to do it. So the flavor of the fried onions with the plantain, or you're frying a yam potato, is different when you fry it just like that. Okay, the smell, it gives it a very beautiful taste and aroma. So I'm going to continue to fry the plantain, turn the back, check if everything is okay. Because the plantain is right, try to put your burner on a medium heat, not too in between, not too high, not too low, because if you make it to be so low like that, it's going to soak the oil, and if you high it so much, it's going to get burnt. So everything's supposed to be in between, okay, so that the plantain will fry very well. So you can see how it is. I'll allow the plantain to get to this golden brown, and we are going to remove it from the oil, put to my strainer so that the remaining oil will go out through the strainer. Okay, so for this we're going to use it to enjoy our pap, then we can eat with rice. So lovely, if this is the first time coming to my channel, you are welcome. God bless you. And for my OGs, you guys are amazing for always coming here and stay with me, watch my videos, comment. I appreciate you all. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Okay, it doesn't take any money. Just click the button subscribe and click the notification bell, so that whenever I uploaded a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, and don't forget to go down to my video, to my channel, and check for other beautiful recipes. We have beautiful recipes. Okay, check out. You will see the one that you love or the one you haven't watched before. Okay, yes, check it out. You're going to love it. So like I said, click the notification bell, so whenever I uploaded a new video, you'll be the first to know. And wait for my new video coming up. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.